Hi everyone, this is Philip from Vantree Systems. Today, we're going to show you how Vantree's EDI integration works hand in hand with InsightWorks Dynamic Ship module inside Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This integration helps manufacturing and distribution businesses automate their shipping workflows, eliminate manual data entry, and generate compliant ASN labels in just a few clicks, saving time and ensuring accuracy across your supply chain. Let's take a look at how it all works. We'll begin with a sales order that's ready to be fulfilled. From here, we will open the package worksheet within Dynamic Ship. This is where we will scan to create a new license plate, linking the physical shipment to a digital record inside Business Central. Next, we'll package the items in the order. Once everything's ready, we scan again to print the shipping label. Dynamic Ship connects directly with your preferred carrier, so tracking numbers are automatically generated and stored. Finally, we scan to post the delivery, which completes the shipment process within Business Central. Now comes the powerful part, the automation. As soon as the delivery is posted, Vantree's EDI integration automatically creates the Advanced Shipment Notice, or ASN. You can see here that all the shipment details from license plate to tracking number are automatically captured and mapped to the correct fields required by your trading partners. There's no need for manual re-entry or data manipulation. Everything happens seamlessly behind the scenes. Once the ASN is generated, users can review in the Vantree ASN Builder module to confirm that everything looks good. From there, a single click sends the ASN to Vantree for processing and validation against your trading partner's specifications. All updates on the transaction can be tracked through Vantree's vSite portal, giving your team full visibility from shipment to confirmation. And that's it. A simple, automated process that connects your warehouse operations to your EDI workflows. With Vantree and InsightWorks, you gain speed, compliance, and confidence in every shipment. To learn more or schedule a personalized demo, visit www.vantree.com. Thanks for watching.